A Visionary Exploration of Existence, a review of the Cookbook for the Universe, by Orion Carl Daley. Introduction, a masterpiece of science, philosophy, and the cosmos. The Cookbook for the Universe is an ambitious and groundbreaking work that weaves together scientific principles, philosophical insights, and abstract mathematics to offer a unified perspective on existence. With meticulous care and inspired by the interplay between the cosmic and the microcosmic, Orion Carl Daley presents a theoretical guide, a contemplative treatise, and a visionary framework that challenges how we perceive the fabric of reality. This book is more than a scientific exploration. It is a journey into the harmonious symphony of forces that govern the universe, from the smallest particles to the vast structure of galaxies. By integrating ideas from Newton, Einstein, and quantum theory while pushing beyond their limitations, Daley introduces relative gravity, a paradigm-shifting framework that redefines gravity, time, and cosmic evolution. More than just a scientific treatise, the Cookbook for the Universe serves as both a theoretical manual for scientists and an inspirational guide for philosophers, dreamers, and seekers of knowledge. Core themes and structure of the book. The book is meticulously structured, providing a logical progression from foundational principles to their broader implications. Each section builds upon the last, creating a cohesive framework that ties together the nature of existence, from the subatomic to the cosmic. 1. Foundations of the Universe. A new perspective. The journey begins with an introduction to the key principles that guide this work, setting the stage for a re-examination of the cosmos through the lens of symmetry, interconnectedness, and evolution. Daley introduces his groundbreaking concept of relative gravity, which reframes gravitational interactions not as isolated forces, but as dynamic relationships within an evolving cosmic system. This section also explores the harmonic mean, presenting it as a unifying principle that governs balance across all scales from planetary orbits to the quantum level. By Orion Carl Daley. 1. Aka, Essay on Relative Gravity to describe the mechanics of the universe. 2. Ex Nihilo, the genesis of the cosmos. In one of the most thought-provoking sections, Daley challenges conventional notions of creation, presenting the concept of ex nihilo, out of nothing, as a fundamental principle of cosmic emergence. Here, he introduces the delta phenomenon, a cycle of continuous transformation that allows for the evolution of particles, galaxies, and dimensions alike. This section blends philosophy and science seamlessly, exploring how time itself may be the axis upon which existence is constructed, and how forces and dimensions interact in an elegant, iterative dance. 3. The Theory of Relative Gravity, a Unified Framework. The heart of the Cookbook for the Universe lies in its proposal of relative gravity as a unifying theory that bridges gaps left by Newtonian physics, Einstein's relativity, and quantum mechanics. Rather than seeing gravity as a fixed force acting upon static masses, Daley presents it as an adaptive and polymorphic entity, one that shifts and evolves depending on context. He discusses gravitational tidal waves, black holes as engines of resonance, and the interdependent nature of forces as they oscillate like alternating currents. This section also explores how the dimension of time plays an integral role in shaping not only gravitational interactions, but the fundamental nature of reality itself. 4. The Delta Phenomenon and Cycles of Evolution. The Delta Phenomenon is one of the book's most intriguing contributions, a concept that describes how all cosmic entities evolve through cycles of abstraction, synthesis, and replication. Daley draws comparisons between quantum uncertainty, celestial mechanics, and thermodynamic cycles to show how energy and information are continuously transformed. This principle suggests that singularities are not fixed points but iterative processes, challenging the conventional understanding of black holes and the Big Bang. 5. Harmonic resonance and cosmic symmetry. This section expands on the harmonic mean, revealing its significance in shaping orbital mechanics, electromagnetic wave interactions, and the very structure of space-time. Daley proposes that just as musical harmonies follow a mathematical structure, so too does the universe, a vast, interconnected symphony of resonating forces. Through detailed discussions on the golden ratio, dimensional alignments, and the balance of matter and energy, the book presents an elegant vision of the by Orion Carl Daley. 2. Cookbook for the Universe Cosmos as an evolving system governed by fundamental symmetries. 6. Black holes as engines of resonance. Rather than viewing black holes as destructive voids, Daley offers a revolutionary perspective. Black holes as dynamic regulators of cosmic resonance. This section explores their role in maintaining universal equilibrium, acting as energy redistribution hubs that drive evolution at both galactic and quantum scales. Through waveguide theories and gravitational field interactions, the book paints a compelling picture of black holes as crucial components of a self-regulating cosmic system. 7. The dimension of time, beyond linear perception. One of the most philosophically rich sections of the book delves into the nature of time itself. Rather than seeing time as a linear sequence, Daley suggests that it is an evolving dimension, one that is intrinsically tied to energy distribution, spatial expansion, and cosmic symmetry. This re-examination of time allows for new interpretations of relativity, quantum mechanics, and the role of hypothetical matter in shaping cosmic evolution. Final thoughts: a masterpiece of cosmic thought. The Cookbook for the Universe is a remarkable achievement, a work that dares to reimagine the fundamental principles of physics while remaining grounded in rigorous conceptual clarity. Daley's expansive yet accessible approach ensures that both scientific minds and philosophical seekers will find something to challenge and inspire them. By blending the microcosmic with the cosmic, the scientific with the metaphysical, and the structured with the abstract, this book redefines what it means to explore the universe. For those willing to embark on this intellectual and philosophical journey, the rewards are vast. The insights contained within these pages are not just theoretical, they are transformative. If you seek a fresh, revolutionary perspective on the nature of existence, the Cookbook for the Universe is an essential read, one that challenges, expands, and redefines the limits of human understanding.